Number 1. 1984 Pontiac Sunbird LE convertible 2-door, priced at $600. This 1984 Pontiac Sunbird LE convertible is a classic compact car from Pontiac, known for its sporty design and enjoyable driving experience. Driven 90,600 miles, it currently does not run, though it ran fine prior to being stored 3 years ago. The seller suspects an issue with the gas system but lacks the time to fix it. The Sunbird, especially in convertible form, was popular in the 80s for its fun and stylish appeal. Located in Decorah, Iowa. Number 2. 1989 Ford Crown Victoria sedan 4-door, priced at $950. The 1989 Ford Crown Victoria is a full-size sedan known for its durability and smooth ride. With 96 on miles, this car runs and drives well, but has a burned overdrive band in the transmission, necessitating driving in D instead of OD. Featuring a 5.0-liter V8 engine, the car is in great condition with immaculate interior, new tires, and no rust. It would be perfect for someone with some mechanical knowledge to repair. Located in Waco, Georgia. Number 3. 1988 Pontiac Bonville SLE sedan 4-door, priced at $800. This 1988 Pontiac Bonville SLE, driven 230,000 miles, is a large sedan known for its comfort and performance. Recently acquired from an older gentleman, it had a transmission issue which seems resolved after a fluid change. The car is clean overall, runs well, has a new battery, and the seller is open to trades. The Bonville was a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and comfortable vehicle during the late 80s, located in Athens, Tennessee. Number 4. 1982 Mercedes-Benz 300 SD, priced at $800. The 1982 Mercedes-Benz 300 SD is a classic luxury sedan featuring a durable diesel engine. With 250,000 miles, this vehicle has been in storage for over 10 years. Known for its exceptional engineering and longevity, the 300 SD is a desirable model for those who appreciate classic Mercedes-Benz quality. This car offers a great restoration opportunity for enthusiasts. Located in Antioch, Illinois. Number 5. 1986 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 regular cab work truck pickup 2-door 8 feet Stasses, priced at $1,000. The 1986 GMC Sierra 1500 is a reliable work truck driven 46,000 miles. It runs decently but has been wrecked, resulting in a bent frame that might be fixable. The truck features a good 305 engine with a 700R4 transmission, and the cab and bed are in good condition, although it needs a front clip. This model is a great option for parts or repair. Located in Russellville, Kentucky. Number 6, 1979 Oldsmobile Cutless Supreme, priced at $1,500. The 1979 Oldsmobile Cutless Supreme is a classic mid-size car with 46,000 miles. This vehicle has new parts including a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, MagnaFlow muffler, and fuel system. However, it has significant rust issues, especially in the quarters and rear package tray. The original 305 engine runs, but the car lacks a back seat and has no title, making it suitable for parts only, located in Lithia Springs, Georgia. Number 7, 1983 Chevrolet Chevy Van G10, priced at $1,700. This 1983 Chevrolet G10 van, driven 190,000 miles, is a versatile vehicle known for its reliability. It runs and drives but needs a new transmission. The van comes with a clean title and would be a great project for someone needing a spacious vehicle. The G10 vans were popular for their utility and durability. Located in Macon, Georgia. Number 8, 1979 Jeep CJ5, priced at $1,800. The 1979 Jeep CJ5 is a classic off-road vehicle with a rugged design and dependable performance. With 200,000 miles, this model has a manual transmission and is in excellent mechanical condition, though the body needs work. Known for its capability and iconic design, the CJ5 is perfect for restoration or as a project vehicle. Located in Decatur, Tennessee. Number 9, 1987 Honda Civic CX Hatchback 2-door, priced at $1,200. The 1987 Honda Civic CX Hatchback, driven 105,222 miles, is a compact car known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. This model runs and drives but needs brakes and is missing the passenger fender and front grille. The Civic is a great option for someone looking for a project car or a dependable daily driver. Located in New Carlisle, Ohio. Number 10, 1988 Chevrolet S10 Blazer Sport Utility 2-door, priced at $1,900. The 1988 Chevrolet S10 Blazer, driven 200,000 miles, is a compact SUV with a solid frame and good running condition. It features a V6 engine with a new battery, coolant sensors, and exhaust. Although it has some rust and a hood doesn't latch properly, it's a solid vehicle for someone looking for a project or trade. Located in St. Louis, Missouri.